All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed some terms related to internet. Okay, what is internet? Internet means the interconnection of computer network. Today also we are going to discuss the same topic. First one is email. What is email? Can you hear the term email? Yes. Email means we can see that the letters can be exchanged through the global network. These letters are called email. Email means when the messages transfer through electronic media is called email. Okay. Some of the email service providers are Gmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail. Okay. All of you understand what is email? Email means electronic mail. The letters transferred through electronic media is called email. The email service providers are Rediffmail, Yahoo, Google, etc. Okay, next is social media. What is social media? Social media is a platform for exchange ideas, jokes, information and share our videos, photos, etc. Okay, the example for social medias are Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Diaspora, etc. Is also a platform for maintain friendship. Okay, all of you understand what is social media? Social media is a platform for exchange of information, jokes, news, videos, images. It's also used to maintain friendship. We can communicate with our friends in the anywhere in the world by using social media. Okay, when we use the social medias, we remember some things. Okay, if when we share a post or share a information once, we cannot take it back. So think and share the messages. Next one is don't share the fake messages, okay, or fearful messages. Okay, keep your profile protected. Don't share your personal information with unauthorized persons. Okay, when we use the social media, keep these things in your mind. Okay.
Social media. When flood hit our state, many people who lived abroad were anxious about the security of their families and relatives. Members of Facebook, a social media on the internet, had created groups and reached help to the flood victims. The social media have become part of our life now. Sometimes a well constructed page in the social media it is designed and content are even used to assess the cultural status of a person. Some of the well known social medias are Facebook, Twitter, Diaspora, then WhatsApp.
Next one is e-banking. What do you mean by e-banking? E-banking means the banking done through electronic medium. E-banking means electronic banking. Okay, all the banking process we can done through an electronic media. It's computer or mobile phone. Is called e-banking. The works we can do through electronic banking are we can check our account in anywhere in the world and we can transfer the money from one account to another. Okay, we can check the balance. We can check the account details. Okay, we can pay the electricity bill or water bill etc. through electronic banking, e-banking. E-banking means when the electronic banking. That means the banking done through electronic medium.
Banking. E-banking means conducting the transaction of a bank account through a website specifically built for the purpose. To obtain online transaction facility for a bank account, we have to submit a filled up form to the bank. After that, we have to get the username, password, etc. for the account before starting to use it. Once the system is enabled, we can find out the details of an account from any place at any time. We can examine our recent transaction in a similar manner. We can transfer money to another account, pay for things or services that we have bought, for example, telephone bills, electricity bills. This is the e-banking site for State Bank of Travancore. Here we can type the username and password. We get our transaction window. We can see our account details and last transaction details, etc. Okay, press here account details. We can see our account details and last transaction details. Here we can see the last 10 transaction details.
Okay, next one is e-governance. E-governance means electronic governance. All the government purpose we are done through an electronic media is called e-governance. That means that in the village office, in the panchayat office, then municipalities, then some other area, some other government offices, we are use computer for all things. Okay. Then we can apply our birth certificate to some sites. Okay, all the government purpose we are done through an electronic media is called e-governance.
E-governance. We often have to go to many offices like village and Grama Panchayat, offices of electricity and drinking water distribution to avail of various services. If we have a bank account with online facility, we can pay electricity bills, telephone bills, etc. You know that the procedure for getting admission for higher studies after 10th is carried out through the online system. We use online site for securing admission for higher secondary education. This is the site for BSNL for online bill payment. This is the site for KSEB. We can use this site for online payment. Press the quick pay option, then enter the user ID and password, then sign in and pay the bill as online.
Okay. In this class, we have discussed about social medias, electronic mail, then e-governance and e-banking. Okay. There are many job opportunities provided by the internet for communication, then trade, then education, some other areas. Okay. If when we use the internet for good purpose, it's a good thing. When we use the internet for bad purpose, it's a bad thing. Okay. In this class, we have discussed about some terms related to internet. Okay. I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me.